Hi friends, my name is Kenny Basten, and I am a Shibari rigger. What's a Shibari rigger? A rigger is someone that ties someone up using fancy rope techniques that originates from feudal Japan. So in order to keep up my proficiency, COVID-19 currently has us all locked up and in quarantine. So I am going to show you a tutorial on how to make your very own mannequin at home for cheap, because you can find a whole bunch online, but they're usually $100+. So in order to be able to keep up your proficiency and do this at home on the cheap, I've made a video and I took pictures and showing step by step on how to make it. So let me know what you think and check out the video.